This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. I'm Evie, and yes, I do wear two different nail designs on each hand. But in this video, I'm going to be testing out the Mia Secret Clear Acrylic Powder Kit. And I got this from Amazon and I paid $36 for it. And it looks like it comes with everything that you need to do acrylic nails, even the brush. But before we get into this kit, I got to remove my previous set. And these nails were done using Susie's Nail Career Education acrylic. And these nails have been on for 2 weeks. And yeah, my nails grow slow, but these have definitely been on for 2 weeks. No lifting, no yellowing. So I would definitely say that I do not lack experience when it comes to doing my own nails. Alright, so to take these off, I am just going to use my nippers to clip off the length. And then I use the nippers as well to take off any of the crystals. And I'm going to switch over to my coarse bit. And I'm just going to file the acrylic down as thinly as possible. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my soak-off bowl and 100% acetone nail polish remover, pour that into the soak-off bowl and put my hands inside for about 15 minutes to get all of the acrylic off. So this is after all of the acrylic is off, and I'm just going to do my prep. So I'm using my hand file to file down the length of my natural nails. And then I'm going to push back my cuticles. And I use the opposite end to scrape up any of that dead skin from my nail. And I have some nail mail here. I picked up some items from a local nail tech. This is from Miami Ashley. I went to her in the first episode of my Nashville nail tech tour. I will leave the link down below. But she does sell her signature plush pink nail polish and acrylic powder. That is the samples that she sent in the package. But this is what I actually ordered, was the Neat Nails Always bit box. And these are the bits that she used when she does her nails. I will leave her Instagram down below because she is one of my favorite nail techs. But she released these nail bits that she uses. And this box also holds up to 13 nail bits, so I can be nice and organized because I'm a little embarrassed that all of my bits are just sitting on my desk. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this cuticle bit here. A lot of people ask me what nail drill I use, and this is the Kiara Sky nail drill. I know, it is expensive, but this is what I prefer to use. But a good alternative to this one is the Melody Susie drill here. I did a review on this one that I will link down below, but I've used this for a long time and it's a really good affordable nail drill. The inventory and prices are fluctuating right now due to the circumstances, but I really recommend this nail drill if you are looking for something that is going to last you but is affordable at the same time. So I'm just going to turn on my drill, and I just want to state a fact that this Kiara Sky drill is portable and rechargeable, and I've only charged it once since I've had it. So I'm going to use that cuticle clean bit to work around the cuticle areas. And right off the bat, I do like this cuticle clean bit. I'm able to get right up into those corners to get all of that dead skin off. And I'm just going to go in with this circular bit, and it's going to basically do the manicure for me. Alright, so back to the kit. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. You get clear acrylic powder, primer, monomer, nail prep, nail tips, top coat, buffing block, nail brush, nail glue, and a file. On the back of this paper are the instructions. It comes with step-by-step from prep to application. So if you do need help learning how to do nails, definitely read this over before you start. So I dumped out all the nail tips, and I'm just gonna pick through these to see my size, but I see that these are curved. No! I hate curved nails, but I'm gonna make it work like I always do. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my sizes. All right, so I am gonna apply my nail tips using the glue. Go ahead and hold that for a couple seconds, and then I squeeze the sides as well to make sure the sides of the tip are glued down. And I'm gonna do that for all of my nails. So this is after getting them all on. Oh my God, the curve in these is horrendous. But I am gonna go ahead and shape these the best that I can. I don't typically like the curved nails because I'm not able to get that strong coffin shape that I like, but we're gonna make it work. So this is after filing and shaping, and this was the best that I can do. I cut the nails down some because of the curve, and because they're shorter, you can't tell that they curve as much, so I can work with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the powder and pour up my monomer. And I'm just gonna break in the brush. It has like a stiff kind of powder in it that they use when they ship it. So I'm just gonna swish it around into the monomer, getting all that out of the brush and making it ready for me to do my application. Now I'm gonna go in with the nail prep, which is a dehydrator. And this is just gonna remove all the oils from your nails. And then I'm gonna go in with the primer. And I also want to show you guys how I pick up my beads. A lot of people like to say my stuff is too wet, but it's not. So I just want you guys to see I can pick up a bead and it can stay on the brush. So I'm quite tempted to get another camera and just focus that on my damping dish and my powder so you guys can see. But I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the center of the nail, placing the bead there. And I left this in real time so you guys can see actually how slow I work. I work really slow. So all the videos that I upload, I speed them up just for time's sake, but this is how I work. And I can tell from the first bead of this that it is really, really easy to work with. It doesn't dry quickly. As you guys can see, I still have time to kind of pull and mold it. So this acrylic is not bad to come in a kit for only $36. So going in with the cuticle bead, I'm just gonna place that and push it closer to the cuticle. I like to leave a little space because I need space to file and I don't want to file on top of my skin. So yes, I do leave just a little hairline of space between my skin and the acrylic. This brush is okay. It's better than a kiss brush, but I do feel like it's not 100% Kolinsky because I'm having to really like clean it to get all of the powder out. So if you do get this kit, you'll have to like really clean the brush. But I am just going to repeat this for all of the nails. But yeah, I really do like how this acrylic works. It's not too fast, it's not too slow. The only thing that I would really upgrade is the brush, but acrylic brushes are quite expensive. I mean, you're probably gonna pay more than $36 for just one good quality brush. So I can understand why they kind of cut corners to kind of make it affordable, but it's really not that bad. You just have to make sure to clean it a lot. All right, so this is after applying the acrylic to all of the nails. And I overfiled the nail tip on the middle finger, so I had to add back some acrylic to help my shape. So that is why that looks like that. Once again, I hate curved tips. And so finally, I'm just going to show you guys how I clean the brush. I swish it around in the monomer and then I wipe it on the paper towel. And I flick it through my fingers just to make sure there aren't any residue left into the brush. And then I go ahead and flatten it and twirl it, and it's ready for next time. So now I'm going to do my shaping and filing. As always, I like to start off with the hand file. And once all the hand filing is done, I'm gonna go in with my favorite drill bit, which is the Poochie's Nails medium grit safety bit. And I'm gonna work that around the cuticle areas and also smooth out and debulk any areas of the nail. And this drill bit here is what gives me that perfect cuticle shape, and it seals the acrylic around the cuticle area. Next, I'm going to go in with the buffer block that came with the kit. But after I finished, it was still kind of rough and I saw scratches in it. So I switched over to my buffer block, which is a 200 grit buffing block. So this is going to ensure that it gets rid of all of the scratches and you won't see them when you put on your nail polish. So this is after the nails have been filed, shaped, and buffed. And at this point, you can go ahead and do your designs or your gel polish or whatever. But I'm gonna go in with some nail polish. I'm gonna use the Plush Pink from Miami Ashley. And I'm also gonna use the OPI base coat. Both of these polishes are regular nail polish, so you don't need a nail lamp. So first I'm gonna go in with that base coat and apply that to all of the nails. And once that is all dry, I'm gonna go in with the Plush Pink. So this is after 2 coats of the Plush Pink, and I just love this color. So next I'm gonna go in with the Kiss brush on glue, and I'm gonna apply some bling, of course. So I'm just applying a little bit of glue around the cuticle area, and before that glue dries, and you gotta be very quick, I'm just gonna apply my crystals around the cuticle area and wait for that to dry. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Mia Secret top coat, and once again, this is a regular top coat, not a gel top coat, so you don't need a nail lamp. And I'm just gonna go ahead and top coat all of the nails. Saving the bling nail for last just to make sure that glue is fully dry. So after the nails have dried, I'm just gonna go in with my cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. These nails turned out so cute and they were super easy to do. This Mia Secret acrylic kit is perfect for anybody who wants to practice on themselves. So I will leave a link down below to this kit and also to their other kits. Because of the quarantine, all of these kits are selling out so fast. But once we get past this, you guys will be able to order, I'm sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial, and I will talk to you in the next one.
This is the outro to the Long Hair Pretty Nail Show. Yeah.